our great challenge is that we want our marriage to work, but we don't work on our marriage. We want our life to work, but we don't work on our life. We want the ministry to work, but we don't work on the ministry. Are you with me? And so here it is. Some of us are working in our life, but we're not working on our lives. I'll say it again. Some of us are working in our lives, but we're not working on our lives. And sometimes you get so caught up by working in your life that you don't work on the areas that need to be improved. Are you with me? Anyhow, Lord have mercy. My head is running ahead of me now, Pastor Dali. And we don't work. We work in our lives. In other words, we are so busy working that we don't work on us. Your mond reik nou nog.